seen it in a long time. But here's my across the state neighbor's even temp heat pump. I have not seen it running in heat mode this year. Just down there. Reversing valve. It's too dark, but you can't really see it. But yep, it was a 2.5 ton from 1995. Oh, it got a new fan motor. Fan motor got replaced. But yep, here's the neighbor's 2.5 ton 1995 even temp by Bryant heat pump. Not running. I have not seen it run in heat mode this year yet, but if it does, I'll film it. Alright, out.